Hi everyone. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of 14 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets that are guaranteed to save you time and make cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you are tired of peeling apples the old-fashioned way, this hand crank apple peeler is a total game changer. Just fix the apple in place, turn the crank, and watch as it effortlessly peels away the skin and cores the fruit in seconds. It's perfect for prepping apples for pies, salads, and snacks, making it a lifesaver during the fall baking season or when you just want fresh apple slices without the hassle. This self-adhesive wallpaper looks just like real tiles, adding a stylish backsplash effect to your walls, countertops, or cabinets, without the mess and cost of traditional tiling. It's oil-proof, waterproof, and super easy to wipe clean, making it perfect for high-traffic areas in the kitchen. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel, stick, and smooth it out for a quick kitchen refresh. The best part? It's removable, so if you're a renter or love changing up your decor, this is a fantastic option. Whether you want to add a pop of color or a sophisticated pattern, this tile paper will instantly elevate your kitchen's look. Say goodbye to clunky pots and strainers, meet the stainless steel foldable cooking basket. This versatile kitchen tool is a true multitasker, perfect for boiling, steaming, deep frying, and even blanching. Its flexible design allows it to fold flat for easy storage, but when you open it up, it turns into a handy cooking basket that can handle everything from pasta to fried chicken. The mesh design allows hot water or oil to flow freely around your food, ensuring even cooking every time. The best part? You can lift it directly from the boiling water or oil, thanks to its cool touch handles, making draining and serving super simple. Save space and time with this foldable cooking basket that's perfect for small kitchens or anyone looking to simplify their cooking process. Fresh herbs can add amazing flavor to your dishes, but they don't last long in the fridge. That's where the herb saver comes in. This clever gadget keeps herbs like cilantro, parsley, and basil fresh up to 3 times longer by providing an optimal moisture environment. Just place your herbs in the container, add a little water to the base, and pop it in your fridge. The transparent design lets you easily see what's inside, so you'll never forget about your herbs again. It's perfect for herb enthusiasts who hate seeing their beautiful greens wilt too quickly. Cutting melons has never been easier, thanks to this round muskmelon slicer. With its sturdy stainless steel blades and non-slip handles, it slices through thick melon rinds effortlessly, giving you perfectly cut wedges every time. The round shape and evenly spaced blades allow you to create perfect slices in just one motion. No need to struggle with a knife anymore. It's great for cantaloupes, honeydews, and watermelons, making it a must-have for summer picnics, barbecues, or family gatherings. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple gadgets when the collapsible cutting board can do it all? This 3-in-1 tool can be used as a cutting board, drain basket, and storage container, all in one. Chop your veggies, lift the sides to turn it into a basket, and rinse your produce without needing an extra strainer. When you're done, simply fold it flat for compact storage, making it perfect for small kitchens or for anyone who values multifunctional tools. Worried about the stability of your pots on your stove? The supported burner stand is here to ensure your cooking is smooth and safe. Made from sturdy material, this gadget fits over your stove burners and provides a stable platform for small pots and pans, reducing the risk of spills and uneven cooking. It's especially handy for camping stoves, hot plates, or smaller kitchens where burner space is limited. Simply place it over your burner, and it holds your pots in place, giving you peace of mind when cooking. Forget struggling with a coconut. The Wonderchef stainless steel coconut scraper makes shredding fresh coconut a breeze. No more dangerous knives or endless grating. This gadget lets you enjoy freshly grated coconut in seconds. Simply secure the scraper to your countertop, and rotate the handle. The sharp, serrated edges will shred the coconut flesh effortlessly, providing you with finely grated coconut for curries, desserts, smoothies, and more. Love cherries but hate dealing with the pits? Meet the Westmark Cherry Stoner, the easiest way to remove stubborn cherry pits without making a mess. This handy tool allows you to pit cherries with just a simple press of the lever, keeping the fruit intact while ejecting the seed into the built-in container below. No more cherry juice splattering all over your kitchen. It's perfect for making cherry pies, tarts, or fruit salads, and it works great for olives too. This compact storage solution attaches right to your faucet, providing a convenient spot for holding sponges, scrubbers, or even a small soap bottle. The open grid design allows water to drain quickly, preventing mold and mildew buildup and keeping your cleaning tools dry and hygienic. The rack fits securely around most faucets and can be adjusted to your preferred height. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your sink area neat and organized, making dishwashing and cleanup a breeze. Take your cooking to the next level with the food mill. Ideal for making smooth purees, soups, and sauces, this versatile kitchen tool easily separates seeds, skins, and fibers, giving you a perfectly smooth texture every time. With its interchangeable discs, you can choose between fine, medium, or coarse consistencies, making it perfect for everything from mashed potatoes to applesauce or silky tomato sauces. It's also great for making homemade baby food or preparing fresh jams. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just disassemble and pop it in the dishwasher. If you want to step up your culinary game, the food mill is a must-have tool that will help you achieve professional quality results right in your home kitchen. Say goodbye to wasteful plastic wraps with these eco-friendly silicone stretch lids. Designed to fit over bowls, containers, and even half-cut fruits or vegetables, these stretchy lids create an airtight seal that keeps food fresh for longer. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and come in various sizes, so you'll always have the perfect fit for your needs. Stretch them over anything from a half-eaten watermelon to a small yogurt cup, and you're good to go. The lids are made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, making them durable and safe to use. Scaling fish can be a messy chore, but the stainless steel fish scale remover makes it quick and easy. The serrated blades are designed to remove scales effortlessly without damaging the fish's delicate skin, giving you perfectly cleaned fish in no time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to scale fish without straining your hand. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this gadget is both durable and rust-resistant, so you can count on it for years to come. Whether you're a seafood lover or a home cook who loves preparing fresh fish, this fish scale remover will save you time and hassle. It's a must-have tool for anyone who wants to make fish preparation a breeze. This handheld vegetable slicer grater is the ultimate kitchen multitasker. With 4 interchangeable blades, you can slice, grate, julienne, and crinkle cut all your favorite veggies with ease. The sharp stainless steel blades provide precision cutting, so whether you're making paper-thin cucumber slices or perfect julienne carrots, you'll get flawless results every time. It also comes with a peeler and a handy container that catches your freshly sliced produce, minimizing mess and making cleanup a breeze. Its compact design and high-quality, BPA-free construction make it perfect for small kitchens or anyone looking to cut down prep time. Say goodbye to bulky food processes. This handheld slicer grater is all you need to create beautiful veggie dishes. So there you have it, 14 Amazon kitchen gadgets you're going to love in 2024. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try.